Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best paints for plastic bumpers that are available on the market for their true quality. If you're looking to give your car's bumpers a fresh, professional finish, we've got you covered. Be sure to check out the product links in the description below for more details. So, let's get started with the video. At number 4, we have the Forever Black Bumper and Trim Kit, which comes with a new, improved formula and a larger size for added value. This kit includes a 6-ounce bottle of Forever Black bumper and trim dye, a 4-ounce cleaner concentrate, and an applicator brush. It's designed to permanently dye textured black plastic, rubber, and vinyl surfaces, restoring them to a like-new appearance. The product is well thought out in terms of design, offering a complete restoration solution with the included cleaner and applicator brush. The dye itself is made with the same polymers used by manufacturers, ensuring a professional-grade finish. However, applying the product requires a bit of patience, as the surface must be thoroughly cleaned before application to achieve the best results. In terms of performance, the Forever Black Kit is impressive. It adheres well to porous materials and delivers a long-lasting, fade-resistant finish. It's best suited for older vehicles with heavily weathered bumpers and trim. However, the preparation process and the need to avoid drying on painted surfaces can make application a bit tricky for beginners. Pros: comprehensive kit, permanent results, professional-grade polymers. Cons: prep work required, potential for staining non-porous surfaces. Finally, at number 1, we have the 6-pack of Rust-Oleum brand's 251574 Black Automotive Trim and Bumper Spray Paint. This product stands out for its value, versatility, and exceptional performance. It's designed to renew and protect weathered or discolored bumpers and moldings while providing an OEM color match. The spray paint features a stops rust formula, making it resistant to weather, corrosion, and fading. The any-angle spray technology and comfort tip ensure an easy and precise application, whether you're working on bumpers, mirrors, or other car trim. The matte black finish provides a clean and modern look that complements most vehicles. What makes this product the best on our list is its combination of professional-grade performance and affordability. The 6-pack bundle is perfect for larger projects or multiple vehicles, offering great value for money. It's fast-drying and suitable for both DIYers and professionals. However, it's primarily designed for outdoor use, so it's not ideal for indoor projects. Pros: excellent value, weather-resistant, easy to apply. Cons: outdoor use only, limited to matte finish. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, feel free to leave a comment down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.